What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Got another what's in the box video for you. Today we're working with the Revell 1/25th scale Dodge Magnum RT, the UPTOWN series. This is it's an interesting box design. And that's the way the box art is, the way it's laid out. That's kind of neat. It says it's got working scissor doors. So we'll get into that in a minute. I've already opened this thing up. I popped the seal and opened the bags. I was kind of looking at some of the parts. I've also got this one that I've done an unboxing for. I'll put a link down in the description. I intend to replicate my daily driver. I found some dog dish hubcaps that will work. I've got cop steelies on mine, so I'm going to paint that black, put the dog dish on there, and then the grill. I have a aftermarket grill insert, so I took part of the grill out of this, one of them, there's two, and I've already started to modify it. I'm going to cut the back off, I'm going to sand it down a little bit more and create the honeycomb effect and put it in there. And then, bam, cool. So, but like I said, I've already cracked into, I've got an unboxing of this. I'll put a link in the description. And because of checking the parts, I've already opened the seal of this. But we'll go ahead and pop the top and to get it all out of there and take a look at it. Just dump this stuff out on the table. It's got these weird box designs. I've come across those a couple times before. But, oh, yikes, throwing parts everywhere. Well, actually, that's just the nib, just the nub. So, instructions are pretty standard Revell. The decal sheet looks nice. This was a sealed kit. It was a sealed eBay buy. I haven't bothered to go look on ScaleMates to see, you know, when the first one was or what the differences are. But I did notice there's the muscle series, right? And then here's this one. Wow, just they're totally different. Both 1/25th scale, but one of them is way bigger than the other. I don't understand. Don't understand. So whatever. There's another difference that we'll look at in a minute here, but decals look really nice. It's got a bunch of depictions of something that's on a monitor screen, because this thing has TV monitors throughout, everywhere. There's like monitor in the back, there's two others on the side, two on the seat rests. Just, you know, I think Exhibit had a part designing this car. Yo, dog. Heard you like yo dog with your yo dog. So we'll yeah, let's get into the body first. It's got opening doors, and I already kind of looked how that works. It's got nice little holes there, and then registry pins where they attach. So that looks like that is super brainless. I mean, easy breezy. You just put the round thing in the square hole, and bam, Sue's your uncle, Bob's your niece. Looks pretty good. It's got some, you know, good panel lines, good details. I don't see any ugliness. There is some discoloration from, what is that, release agent or something, I think people have called it. A little bit of mold line there that will need to get cleaned up, but that's fine. You know, it's a good looking body. I'm personally biased because, like I said, I own one. I absolutely love this car. And then we'll get into these wheels and tires. Oh my gosh. Wow. Just, yeah. Maybe it hasn't sunk in yet. Whoa. Good gosh. Just for comparison's sake, here is just a basic, a basic whatever tire, stock car tire. Here's a racing drag slick, and then here's a truck tire, like off the tow truck, or one of the truck kits, the Jeep Honcho. So for size comparisons, oh my gosh, it is just ridiculous. Wow. Far out. So there won't be any wheel tire swap modifications going on with this particular build. There's two options for those wheels. Both are, whatever. I mean, for what they are, they're pretty neat. That one's got a cool, almost like a throwing star pattern. And then this one's got like a billeted look. I'm not sure which one I'll go for, but I don't know. Whatever, for that oversized, that'll look good. I don't know what that's for. It's an interesting color. It was off by itself. I don't know if that has something to do with one of the opening doors or something. I don't know. Here's the bottom of the chassis. Single piece, all molded in. Looks like all the axles, everything's all the bottom side of the motor. Because, yes, and it's a lot of nice details there. You can pull that out with some paint, it'll look fine. But I sigh because I was a little disappointed when I saw that. and the part that goes with it, yeah, the air cleaner or cold air filter, which I kind of like to steal that and put it on the other model because my car has one of those. But bummer. Oh, whatever. I don't know. What do you call that? Motor top? It's a curbside with a motor top? I don't know. That'll paint up nice. I can make it look okay. A lot of flashy colors on this thing is what I'm going to do. So more chrome stuff. Looks like probably exhaust parts, I guess. Yeah, chrome exhaust. Speaker inserts for all the speakers that are in this thing. Some for the doors, for the backs. I mean, it's loaded with AV equipment. And then one of the grill options. The other one is, like we showed you earlier, the one that I'm stealing from my car. Which, now looking at it, I'm surprised it actually fits. So, here's the hood. And the rear door that also, no, those are mirrors. Mirrors and then mirror inserts. So that's cool. Foil. It'll look good. The clear parts, the windows are a nice factory smoke. They look really nice. Those will look good on there. And then the front windshield is not. And then just the headlight and taillight covers. Let's do the speaker stuff. Look at those disc brakes. Those are cool. I mean, behind those wheels, those are going to look good. Yes, they will. So, speaker inserts go in each one of those, and then decals for the monitors, and then more stuff. I'm not sure what these are. I guess like amps and another monitor, because yo dog, we heard you like there's another monitor there. Good detail on the dashboard, looks nice. Center console also has some decent detail. And then the last piece is the interior door cards, which, it looks good. We paint those up and put the speaker inserts in there. And then the roof or the tailgate has a monitor. So when you open it up, there's a monitor and speakers up there. There's monitors in the back of those headrests. Yikes. Those are some plastic bits. So there you go. That about does it for the Dodge Magnum RT. Somewhat of a side-by-side comparison. Not really. But just, I mean, immediate glance here. Let's see. I'll line up the taillight insert portions. You can just see it's close. It's close, but it's a little bit bigger. So, all right, that about does it. Thanks for watching. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that. Stay tuned for the next one, which I'm not sure. I think we'll get into this Cadillac. That's coming up. So, thanks for watching. Enjoyed it. See you in the next one.